Welcome. In front of me is an Acer Iconia A10, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So to get started, when you boot it up the first time, you will be presented with the welcoming screen where you get to choose your desired language. For me, it already selected English, but you could tap right over here. There we go, and find the language that you want to use. Next, select Start. So here we have some end user license agreement. Just click right here that you have read and agreed to it, and then click on Next, and then you can connect to your network. Now this step is completely optional and you can set up your device in offline mode, but by doing so, throughout the setup process you won't have the Google sign-in page show up. You won't be able to restore apps and data from a backup, get software updates, or have the time and date set automatically. This only applies as long as you're not connected to network, which once you connect to it, you can obviously change all of this without any kind of problems. So here's the date and time. If you connected to network, you won't see this page at all. Here are some Google services like location, scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn those off if you don't want them. Next, we can select a screen lock. We have option between a 4-digit PIN or 4 to 6-digit PIN, pattern or password, which you can change right here. Or you can just skip protecting the device altogether if you want to. And as you can see, this finishes up the setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.